Yo, welcome back. My name's Infected1911 here, and I'm going ahead trying to load up Google Earth. I got some videos uploading. Bruh, know how Google. Bruh, I wanna go on. Yo, I wanna go on Clinton Road. Dude, let's go ahead and check out all the Clinton roads. But first, I'm gonna go ahead. Wait, okay, this should be officially the sketchy one because. Yo, like, bruh, there ain't nothing sketchy about this. Okay, like legit, you just drive down here and you go down. Like, where's the fucking woods? Ah, no, no, I did not swallow it. I'm like that. Just let you guys know. Ah, fuck's sake, my nose is bleeding. I'll just wait. Like, okay, Clem. Yo, on. I'll grab some papers or something. Yeah, I'll just use a fucking sock. I'll just use an old t-shirt. Oh, that stings. Yeah, I'm sorry about this, guys. Here's Clinton Road, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I legit don't know how you guys could say, like, no, the place I found, which would. Mikey Man was. There's no way that could be it. Like, so legit, like, and then you got the little sketchy roundabout right there. Then you got something right there. There's a little lake he talks about. But I believe that this is the turn. Dang, it's been so long since I've done one of these. Like, I forgot where everything was. Sorry, guys, but my nose is pretty badly bleeding, though. Dude, there are so many lakes. Yeah, this has to be the road. Yo, like, I think the houses got removed or something. Oh, if Google watched my video, like, oh, dang. I think Google might have watched my video and thought it was kind of like a little stocky. Hey, project in use. Yo, dudes, I think we lost the secret. I lost where it was. Like, dang. how could I like lose that house? Like the fucking barn mansion thing. Okay, now I recall them like going this way. Like they'd take all these like little dirt trails and stuff. Dude, I'm trying to find the one dirt trail that I took to get to that one place. I'm going as fast as I can at the moment. Oh, yo. Yo, this one. Fuck's sakes. Uh, like, I got so psyched. Oh. Yo, it keeps on going on. Yeah, this is it. And then, sure, a huge ass house somewhere around here. Yo, I don't know. This is weird. Wait, where's Jeffrey? Yo, this is not Davy Jones's. Yo, take me back to my shit. It's Clinton Road. Dude, I guarantee my nosebleed is horrible on camera. Yo, could this be it? Dang, now. Okay, now I'm for sure this is it. Wait. Bro, I don't know. Dude, this could be it. Is there any way I can turn it tonight? What's this? No. No. Fuck off. Oh, I lost it. No. And then I'm like, yoit. Oh, never mind. Is there any way I can change the settings tonight? Settings. Uh, let's go. Dude, I just want to change it tonight. Cancel. Yo, bro, you could totally see this being it. Because it's like that dirt road. Mikey Man's like guns it that way. Okay, now let's get out a little Jeffrey's view. Oh, here we got like some random dude's house. What the hell is this? Like a little tire barricade. And then here's the road. Here's a phantom truck. What could be a phantom truck. And then here's the house. You sure you got your farm? And everything. Like, dude, you got everything right here. My name is Infected1911, signing off. Peace.